Listen. That sound you're hearing? It's a crochet stressed chicken. Every squeeze creates a satisfying click, made to calm your hands and eases stress. So easy, so fun. Grab your yarn and let's crochet. We start by crocheting the body. Make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger to form a loop. Insert your hook under the loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Chain 1 to secure the magic ring. Now we're going to work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Next, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Carry the yarn along the stitches to hide it inside the work. Chain 1. Do not count this chain as a stitch. In round 2, we will make 2 single crochets in each stitch. So in the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Repeat this in every stitch around. At the end of this round, you will have 12 stitches. When you reach the end of round 2, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1. In this round, we make 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern 6 times in total. At the end of the round, you will have 18 stitches. To close the round, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then, chain 1. In round 4, make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. When this round is finished, you will still have 18 stitches. Close the round with a slip stitch and chain 1. Chain 1 to start round 5. From round 5 to round 17, repeat the same steps as round 4. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I'll come back once round 17 is finished. Now round 17 is complete. Next, prepare the hair clip. Mine measures about 6 centimeters. Place it in the center of the body as you crochet. Now, we're going to start decreasing and finish shaping the body. Chain 1. For round 18, make 1 single crochet, then work 2 stitches together. To work 2 stitches together, insert the hook into the front loop of the next stitch, then into the front loop of following stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Repeat this pattern 6 times, 1 single crochet, then work 2 stitches together. At the end of the round, you will have 12 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1. For the final round, work 2 stitches together 6 times. Join to the fist stitch. And cut the yarn. Use a yarn needle to hide the tail. Now let's crochet the wings. Make a slip knot and chain 7. Starting in the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet. In the next chain, make 1 single crochet. In the next 3 chains, make 1/2 double crochet in each. In the last chain, make 4 double crochets. Turn your work and crochet on the other side of foundation chain. In the next 3 stitches, make 1/2 double crochet in each. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the last stitch, make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Crochet to wings. Now we are going to crochet the legs. Make a slip knot and chain 8. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the hook. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the same chain. Chain 3 again and slip stitch into the same chain. Then slip stitch along the remaining chains to reach the top. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail. 1 leg is done. You need to make 2 of them. Let's crochet the eyes. Make a magic ring and 6 single crochets into it. Pull the yarn to close the ring, then make a slip stitch. Make 2 of them. For the scarf, make a slip knot and chain as many stitches as you want. I chained 45. For the crest, attach the yarn to the top of the head. Chain 6 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Again, chain 6 and join into the next stitch. Again, chain 6 and join into the next stitch. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Now it's time to attach all the parts to the body. First, let's attach the wings to the body. Attach the wings wherever you prefer, and make sure they are positioned directly across from each other. Now attach the legs as well. First, cut off any extra threads from the eyes and make sure they're securely in place. I used glue, but you can attach them with threads if you prefer. For the beak, I sewed yarn, but you can try other material if you like. Position the scarf and secure it with glue. For the black part of the eyes, I used flat-backed plastic eyes, and I picked two sizes 8 and 6 mm based on my preference. Put them to the white part of eyes and fix them in place with glue. And there you have it. You own stressed chicken. Quick, simple, and fun to make. Hope you enjoyed this little stressed chicken. Feel free to like, drop a comment, and share it with someone who could use a smile or some stress relief. See you in next video.